Will I get into trouble with the ATO if I haven't arranged art insurance in time? We have a large portfolio of art clients and we see 4 common problems or recurring problems. I'm going to take you through them. The first one relates to purchasing insurance within the prescribed timeframes. So under the self-managed super fund regulations, if you buy art or collectibles in your self-managed super fund after the 1st of July 2011, then you have 7 days to arrange insurance. We frequently get clients coming to us who are outside of that 7-day range and they're worried. What I would say is this: we can typically arrange the insurance cover within 24 to 48 hours, and in our experience, none of our clients have ever had an issue with the ATO. However, I think you've definitely had a breach, okay, and they'll definitely be advised to the ATO, but if you go to the ATO and say, we've fixed the mistake, then you should be okay. They've got bigger fish to fry. If you have the same breach 2 or 3 years in a row, then it looks like a pattern of non-compliance, and then I think you can get into trouble. The second common mistake we see is that clients store the items in their home. Now, you're not allowed to store your self-managed super fund assets at your home. You're not allowed to get what's called personal use, certainly for people who have bought it after the 1st of July 2011. If you had it before the 1st of July 2011, you're allowed to keep it at home, but you still can't display it. And you've only until 1 July 2016, then you've got to get it out of your home. And I think that goes back to a core principle. If you're buying assets in your self-managed super fund, it's for investment only. You're not allowed to actually enjoy the use of them. If you're breaching that component, if you fix it, the ATO should be fine. But if you don't fix it, that's when you might have an issue. And your accountant will ask you for evidence of where you're storing the items. The third breach we see, or third common mistake we see, relates to how you buy insurance. So some clients put the insurance under their home and contents, or they put it under the art dealer's policy, something like that. They think they've got insurance arranged, but it actually doesn't comply. So if you've got that, if you think you're covered under your home and contents or an art dealer's policy, you have to be very careful because it's not compliant. You need to get it out of that policy and put under a standalone art insurance policy. And again, if you get it sorted out, the ATO shouldn't have an issue with that. The last problem we see, and this is less to do with the ATO, it's more of a commercial issue, is we have clients that have assets, different types of assets across multiple locations, and they tend to buy insurance policies, separate policies to cover each asset. There's absolutely no need to do that. If your self-managed super fund has coins and books and paintings and they're over different locations, we can arrange one policy that covers a lot of them. It's going to save you time and it's going to save you money. So if you're worried that you've breached the ATO requirements, then give us a call. We can talk you through our experience from our client base. And then if you need insurance, we can get that arranged in 24 to 48 hours so you don't have to worry about it.